Hey everyone! In my complete guide to making money online, I showed you 10 different ways to earn. Today, we're taking a closer look at freelancing, where you can make money using skills like writing, video editing, programming, or design. Let's talk about how to get started and what you can really expect.
You can offer your skills like writing, video editing, programming, or a design for clients. This is basically like applying for a job, but for most cases only for a short time period. You would go to the websites like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com or freelancer.com. You sign up, you fill out your profile, your experience, and you will become one of these guys over here that offers their skills or their special knowledge. The good thing is that you can work from anywhere and you can work anytime. What only matters is that you deliver the project on time. So you make your client happy and you get paid from him. The con is that it's not very easy to find the proper client. Once you have established your name, you will have more opportunities that you can work on. But it also can take time, and in the beginning, you might start also with a low income, probably something like $6 to $7 an hour. It depends also on the project and on the client. So I would recommend to sign up for more platforms and have something in your portfolio that you can show, and your chances to get some project from clients will get higher. One of the con or disadvantages is that the income is inconsistent. Let's say you can work on a project for 2 weeks and the next 3 weeks you don't have nothing to do, so that means no income. So this is not a very good way if you're looking for some passive income. But again, you can get paid for your time and for your expertise. Besides that, the other disadvantage is that it's a competitive market, and especially in these days in 2025, with the boom of the artificial intelligence, freelancers like copywriters might not be as wanted as before.
Are you already freelancing or thinking about getting started? Drop a comment below about your experience or which skills you'd like to offer. If freelancing's inconsistent income doesn't sound right for you, check out my full guide where I cover 9 other ways to make money online. The link is in the description. Remember, even with today's challenges, freelancing can be a good way to earn. You just need to build your skills and reputation. See you in the next video.